Welcome to the Bohn Legacy YouTube channel. Today we've got parents versus kids in a one-game Baker match. Well, the kids are going to win because we got youth on our side, and the parents, well, they wanted a chance, so we're going to give them a chance to take the title of who's better, kids or the parents.
Talking a lot of smack all for early, and there hasn't even been one ball going down the lane yet.
Initial thoughts, parents are going down.
Good luck.
I love watching my parents bowl, but I'm not loving it today, so.
We got this.
Hey,
I'm gonna bowl first.
go get them.
Hey, yeah.
Best of luck.
Way to go.
Favorite child coming in, give mom a hug right now. Yep.
Maybe your mom's favorite, but I'm dad's favorite.
Well,
Tell
we
him,
already know
tell
that.
him. You know I am. Just tell him.
Well, yeah, because you're the only girl in the family besides mom, so you're the favorite one.
Yeah, don't worry, if Cindy needs anything on the credit card, Dad's got it.
We better not trash talk our sister because we need her to strike every shot she throws. Yeah! Come on!
Show him, old man. Let's see what you got.
You hear this already?
One shot. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh no! Maybe get around it a little more. No, change that hand position, bud.
Really over here. Wow.
Yeah, it'd really be a shame if you miss one of these. You've only
Nope.
been shooting them for 50 years. All right.
I don't think he's missed one in 50
That
years.
would say spare. All right, babe, come on, hold me up.
All right, B, get a double.
Oh
Oh
my
my God. Good shot, Brandon.
Hey, you know,
Good luck.
there'll be another ball going down the lane on that lane 4.
All right,
Sure
hold
hope you cover this one.
You like that spare ball?
I do. Purple.
Oh, that's
like-
your new favorite color?
We'll let you know after he gets done shooting it.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
We make those.
All right, all right.
We make
All
right.
those.
Yep.
All right.
I learned from my Hall of Fame father, but it stops there today.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Leslie. Yeah!
Wow.
Did you guys see that?
I did. That was a good shot.
All right, babe.
Yeah, Dad, she's better than you.
Yeah, she's better than you.
The ladies are taking it to us, their voice.
All right, Justin, you got it. Come on. Go.
Hook.
Oh my
Oh!
God.
Oh!
Come on!
Yeah. What you know about that?
Does that really
Oh,
count?
That's right.
That counts.
Come on. Get you some of
That's
that.
it. That's like a
Oh!
left hand on the ball and just,
Oh, get out of here.
that wasn't even for a double. You get that excited.
Well, yeah. We need every hit we can get.
That
this
was
game.
for a one bagger.
That was.
This is for a double. Yeah, and he doesn't get it.
He doesn't get it.
Uh-oh. Hey, you know what I like to call that in real time? Your ball will be right back.
I get it because he's throwing the
You're
real
right.
time.
You are correct.
I get it. I got it.
Y'all are full of jokes over here.
All right, Sid.
Yeah, but
Fair.
see,
All right, nice spare,
the
Dad.
big thing is I have the confidence in Mom that she's going to give me another opportunity
I
for a
have the
double.
confidence in Cindy right now. She's going to double.
Looks close. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Hey!
Bang!
Go. Buddy.
Really? Really throwing strikes like that?
By the way, she's got more than you do. She has 2 more than you do.
She does currently.
Yeah, I do.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
1, 2, 6,
6!
She's got a hook.
Oh no.
You know what? We got to give him a false sense of security.
Oh no.
I
Big shot from
understand
Brandon
that.
here.
I get it.
Oh my God, Brandon.
Oh my
He
God.
should have left that plus so much more.
Where were you throwing that to?
You're not
He-
throwing a urethane.
he wasn't
They
sure.
wanted me to strike.
Just so you know there, you've thrown 2 shots and you are 0 for 2. Just like me.
Hey, what's the score say?
I see what the score says.
Score says kids are in the lead. All right.
All right,
good
not
friend.
my
work.
best effort. Good
Way to
frame.
work.
Not my best effort.
Maya?
It's okay. I think we both got it. Shocking Brandon didn't
All right.
strike.
Now it's game on.
Well, it was game on 5 frames ago, but
It was-
you
it
decided
was.
to join the club.
Yeah, well, you know, like I said, Mom said we had to give you guys a false sense of security.
So we're 5 frames into this game. Kids got the 24-pin lead. Clean, with a double. Parents got an open and no doubles. I like our chances right now.
Game isn't over yet. Go ahead,
Right.
Justin. Take a shot.
Okay.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, hey, for what it's worth, we have a ball working.
We will after the shot.
Do it! Oh my gosh.
Oh, whoa. There's nothing rolling around this
Where's
time?
the pin that rolling?
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
It's a big shot for a double.
Double up! Of
Oh.
course!
Wow.
Did you see it?
Wow.
Of course! Way to go.
That was a nice crisp 5-5.
I'll put us back on the striking train.
Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh.
Hook. Stop. Oh, yeah.
Never a doubt. Never a doubt.
Let's go.
House shot.
Boy, I'm telling you.
And I haven't missed.
You guys practice way more than I do. You should strike.
That's true.
Okay, but Parker Bohn over here is making excuses.
Yeah. Oh, no.
No.
Darn it.
Parker Bohn.
Darn it.
We're just not
5
getting the
titles.
getting the love right now, you know?
Oh, darn it.
5 titles. Kids strike on a house shot. And, Hey Mom, does he always bowl his bat in league?
Spare.
Yep.
Not every week.
Just some of them.
Just some of them.
All right.
Well, you know
All
what?
right.
At least
Shot.
he's consistent. He's 0 for 3.
He has not struck once.
You're 1 for 4.
Hey.
Not too much better.
I at least have one on the board.
It's okay. Y'all are still losing.
And that's why I'm the anchor.
That is why you're doing it. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
All right.
All right, all
Uncle
right.
Rudy
all
over
right.
here about to make the 7-10.
Come on, babe. Set us up here. Oh, yes! Yes!
So I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you always bowl this much better than Dad and Lee?
5 out of 6 weeks.
Good.
She is carrying you right now.
She is.
She is, literally. But you know what? We're in the enviable position. When he gets up and gets tapped, and I double up on her strike, we have control of the game.
All right.
Sure.
Glad he can
But when
do
I
that.
strike here, we're gonna have control, and our anchor is gonna get it done for us in the 10th.
Provided you
because you
carry
guys
the-
can't shut us out.
You're right, but that's provided you carry the 4.
I'll take
I
my
didn't
chances, Dad. You've struck 25% of the time.
That is true.
It's the end of the game. I got it in the bag.
Yep.
Hey, should I move right or should I go slower?
Just soften it up, but don't get it right early.
Got it.
What do you think?
Maybe bring the glasses off and actually throw a good shot.
Okay.
Forget him. You got it.
Thanks for the
All right,
support,
Justin.
Brandon.
I like that adjustment.
All right, well, he didn't listen to the bring the glasses off.
Buddy. Oh my gosh.
All right. Now just hit what you're looking at.
Okay, but if he doesn't strike, it's your fault.
Well, actually, I can't even say hit what you're looking at because I'm just looking at an area. So,
You know,
Shocking.
I love the fact that their team has got the chitter chatter. We can just sit over here and let them fumble.
I don't
themselves.
understand why Brandon's talking because
no, we got the chemistry.
Yo, shh.
All right.
Justin, you got this.
I don't understand why Brandon's talking. He hasn't struck this whole game.
Do it! Yeah! Come on! Let's go!
Shot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad, maybe
when
you need to
Justin
clean
what?
things up.
Yeah.
When he does what? When he misses? No, that doesn't happen.
So is it clean glasses or you hit your target?
I don't think it was either.
Okay.
I actually did hit my target. I didn't hit my glasses. So it's probably a combo though. Oh.
7 pin.
Oh no.
Again.
Oh no.
Shot.
That's so
Yeah, it was a
good.
good shot.
no.
Unfortunately,
Yep.
All right.
unfortunately, it left
Got
one.
this. Okay, wait. Team meeting.
All right,
Team meeting.
team meeting.
Yeah.
Give me
So here's the deal.
Yeah.
Here's the deal. you're gonna need a mark and a 10. Because he's not from the 7th, we haven't missed the 7th since he was
All right.
17. Okay? So
Was
he
a
made
good shot, but it
So
left
now,
one.
You just need a mark and 7.
Okay.
Okay? You got that? All right, come on. All right, break.
1,
Team,
2.
wait, kids on 3, kids on 3. 1, 2, 3, kids! All right. Carrie! Yeah! That's a winner!
That is a winner.
That's right!
And guess
That's
who's
right.
home? The favorite child. Thank you very much. Go.
Oh, yeah!
5 out of 5 shots?
Yeah, 5 for 5.
5 for 5 now?
Hey, wait. Hey, can we sub Brandon in to get lined up for the next time we do this?
Yeah, all right.
All right.
Let me,
You got
let me
it.
program my brain real quick to do exactly what Cindy does.
I have a piece of advice for you. You should clean off your glasses and hit your target.
Okay, yeah. Should I open my eyes after I let it go or before I let it go?
Yeah,
Okay,
probably.
all right.
Yeah.
No, leave them
Are you-
closed.
You got
Are
it.
you
Dee.
saying that you don't normally open them?
Well, I'm
Yes.
not saying it's
The answer is yes.
All right, Brandon, you got
Are
it.
they allowed to bring in a different sub for the fill ball?
Well,
Is that-
the
is
game's
that-
already
Yeah, it's
over.
house
Is that
rules.
legal?
Of course, they have their own rules.
Do it! Oh my God! You should have left me, and we would have struck out.
Hey, no, let me sum that up best. O for all.
Yep.
Oh.
All right, Mom.
Let me take one more
You're just
shot.
saving a hit like that for the next
I
time.
don't need it now.
Whenever
It'd be
whenever
waste.
we get the rematch, it will be on.
Hey, Sid, you want to line me up here? What do you think I should do?
I got you.
Yeah,
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, you're gonna stand right in that area,
Yeah,
and then you're
okay.
gonna aim at my finger down there. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. We got this.
All right, yeah.
Don't hit me.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a fist pump.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Go at the same time as
Wait.
Mom?
Hold on. No.
Same
Yeah, don't
time.
distract.
No.
Don't distract my teammate. See, she did it. She
Well,
distracted
Are you
my
ready?
teammate.
Somewhere to look at.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
crazy. Do we have extra insurance
he
on
doing?
that?
Today,
I've never looked at it
Then don't look at it.
Brandon, let's go.
All right.
I'm telling you how to strike here. Ah, let's go.
Hey, newsflash. Maybe you should.
Hey, I'd say I'm a pretty good coach. I don't know about you, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys never miss a new video. Anything else?
There will be a rematch. Stay tuned. You will see it in the future.
But for now, this one's over. We're out of here.
See you later, Paul Megan Street.
Guys.